like that. Just kidding. Oh, we're recording? Oh, okay.
Yeah. The other one got cut off. You know, everybody leaving Madre behind.
Oh, yeah, huh? He is not fucking cheating on me. That bitch cheats on me, I'm gonna fuck both of them up. I'm gonna kill the bitch. No bitch is gonna cheat on me. Well, except for the bitch would be the guy. And I'll fuck that bitch up, and that bitch I hate at school. If I could get him. Bobby, what are you doing outside? Get your ass upstairs. Yeah, but stop. Bastard. Oh, anyways.
It's still recording.
I knew that. Bobby, come here. Why do I have two phones in my pocket? It looks like I have a kid.
Let's take a look at it.
Let's take a look at that. You can't look at it like
walking upstairs.
with a big dick.
Oh my gosh. Mine's bigger. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. JK.
Well, let's see it. Bring it out.
Let's
compare who's this. Like guys who get a fucking ruler and measure it.
She's talking about like.
Whose dick is bigger, hers or mine? Cause look at mine. She did not. She did. Where's my knife?
Mom, look at.
Oh my god.
What was that?
I got myself up. There's my freaking cigarette and lighter. Oh, don't. Don't record that. Private moment, fool. Private moment.
So bright in here.
Oh. Everybody look at my sister's bum.
Oh, look. Now you can see her PJs.
With no dick. So this is my bunny, Amy. Because my sister didn't take it. Come here, Amy. Yeah. Cute little Amy. She's a little shy. She tends to get fleas. That's why she jumps around so freely.
Well, end of video. I guess we'll make more later.
Peace. Say bye to Amy. Look up, Amy. You are not good at photography.
She's so cute though.
Ah!
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.